आज हम बात करेंगे कि प्लांट कैसे वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं या कैसे वाटर को ऑब्टेन करते हैं। तो प्लांट ऑब्टेन वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल थ्रू द रूट हेयर बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस। प्लांट वाटर को सॉइल से रूट हेयर के थ्रू ऑस्मोसिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू ऑब्टेन करते हैं। We know that every plant has root hair on their primary and secondary root. The main root of the plant is called primary root and the branch of root which arises from the primary root is called secondary root. Look here. Suppose that this is a plant and this is the main root of the plant. So this root is called primary root and this branch is arises from the primary root, so this branch is called secondary root. And this primary and secondary root contain root hair. Now this root hair absorb the water from soil by the process of osmosis. Osmosis is a process in which water or solvent move from higher concentration to the lower concentration, and the concentration of water in soil is greater than the root hair. So water move from soil particle to the root hair. Look here. These are the soil particles and water is present between the soil particle. Now water move from soil particle to the root hair, due to which this root hair become turgid or swell and exert a type of pressure called turgor pressure. By this turgor pressure, water is pushed towards the cell of cortex and reach in the cell of cortex. Now the cell of cortex also become turgid and swell and exert a type of pressure called root pressure. By the root pressure, by this root pressure, water move from one cell to the another cell and eventually reach to the xylem. Now this xylem, these are the xylem. Now this xylem transport the water from a root to the stem or leaf. The upward movement of cell sap containing water and mineral in plant is called ascent of sap. This movement of water in xylem takes place due to the strong cohesive force, and this strong cohesive force occur between the water molecule.